Thanksgiving. Yes, Jamra.
Hello, folks. So today we are joining our good family friends, Audrey and Al, for brunch at Keke'S Breakfast Cafe in Port St Lucie. It is located in the Darwin Square, right beside the Publix. And of course, it's on Port St Lucie Boulevard. Guys, this is a local American style diner with a all-day breakfast menu, and they have a couple selected items as lunch. For breakfast, it is generally the American style, eggs and bacon type of breakfast. And of course, for lunch, you can have burgers, sandwiches, wraps, etc. And so we're gonna check this one out and see what it is like. Where you get the banana something now?
I don't know.
Audrey, what you figure?
The banana something.
With the fruity. With the fruity.
Wait, the fruit.
With the fruity. With the fruity.
She don't know what she want. And me know, but food.
You've been here before. Can you make a recommendation? That's what I'm saying.
You like pancake?
I don't want that.
I can't. I have no recommendation for you. But
What else?
And of course, the wifey loves bacon, so she had bacon and eggs and a giant size waffle with peach inside of it and a whole heap of whipped cream around the edges. It was just crazy. I mean, trust me. And of course, guys, then we also had some simple French toast, and it was just a lot of food. The serving size was super duper big.
that's apple or peach.
Apple cinnamon.
No, it's cinnamon. Next.
Wow.
Thank you.
Okay, got the omelette in here.
Yes.
And the scrambled
Thank you.
right here. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And then I'll bring out another pile of sauce.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, for the one
You want the orange?
price.
Yeah.
I get it. I didn't look at you with the look. If you didn't look, I made it one.
Where? Today?
Oh, I did.
It doesn't feel like a burrito.
Right, food tasting.
It's all right. It's breakfast. Funny thing happened on our way home from Keke'S. We found a guy. I saw a guy on the street that was obviously homeless, and my heart went out to him. And I just decided to stop and get him something to eat. And guys, let me tell you something. You have to just be transparent enough with people, because not everybody appreciate you walking up to them and just trying to talk to them or offer them things. But I was very straightforward with the young man, and he was accepting of what I had to offer. And it was food that we were planning to take home to have me and the wifey, but it was great that we could share it with him, and he was willing. I showed him what it was, some Jamaican food, barbecue chicken and rice and vegetable, and he gladly received it. And so me just feel good for now, so we can stop and give somebody and help somebody upon the journey as we travel along. And everybody try to do that too. If you can pass somebody along the way and help them, try to do that, because it really makes sense. It's beneficial. So that was our first time at Keke'S.
You love me.
What do you think about it, C? What do you think about the whole experience?
It was not bad at all. I mean, the only complaint was that my eggs were not hot, which usually is a turn off for me. But the food was pretty good.
Basic,
Pretty good.
It was nothing like, no elaborate type of thing. It was like a diner vibe.
Well, I think it's you classify it as being elaborate breakfast?
Yeah, meh.
Yeah.
You know, it was just it was a lot of the same thing basically. As you see, the menu was a whole lot of combination of the very same thing.
So you pretty much either get a waffle,
Pancake, eggs,
toast,
omelette,
omelets, or if you want lunch, some type of burger or sandwich.
or wrap. You know,
Or salad.
yeah, the home fries. They didn't have French fries. They had home fries. They had French toast,
Which is really not fries.
which is
The
don't
home fries is more of a hash. A
yeah
scrambled hash. What was
yeah it's hash.
that? Yeah. It seems
You know, so if you're going somewhere to eat and you want something stick to your bones type of food where sit down in your belly, it work.
But the ambience was good in terms of the place. Not, I don't know. I find that a lot of the breakfast places, I'm not gonna call any names, they always have this little smell.
Like raw egg.
No, like molly carpet or something.
Molly carpet. The feast at the molly carpet.
But that one, the place was nice.
Yeah, it smelled fresh. Never smelled bad. And we were relatively close to the kitchen.
And they were quick with the service.
Yeah. Server was okay. She was friendly. We tried her a little bit by,
Asking for lots of stuff.
asking for a lot of stuff.
Can we get a sauce? Can we get a box? Can we get this and can we get that?
I tried the cottage cheese and it was, again, meh. It wasn't, I thought it would have been more sweet. It was just savory with like a pineapple on top. I actually had to put a little bit of maple syrup on it to get any type of real taste from it. So it's not something I'm gonna really eat. Like say me go, oh, buy cottage cheese I eat. Nah, it not happening. Out of 5, what's your rating? 3 is good because the service was good. The restaurant was clean. The food was unpretentious. It was just straightforward.
We wanted some like egg benedicts and
Well, they did have a little bit of that, it's just that, yeah, they had eggs benedict, they had poached eggs benedict, and them had poached. They had all of those things, but again, I don't know why we never try those things. Maybe on our next visit, we will try, because it's something that I would do if I'm in the area or too lazy to make breakfast. I would probably try that again. But that's Keke'S, guys. It's unpretentious, straightforward food, American food, and the prices were competitive. There was nothing over $20. Everything was nice, and you could order your food like combination of different things, like and stuff. So it wasn't bad.
and them accommodating. Like on the menu, they don't offer. On the drink menu, they don't offer cranberry mixed with orange juice, but they just did it because I asked for it.
Right. And I asked for unsweetened. I asked for unsweetened Arnold Palmer, and I got that. So it wasn't bad. And guys, I would recommend if you're in Port St Lucie and you want breakfast, real breakfast. I mean, extensive breakfast from omelette gum all the way down. The serving size was big too, don't it?
I got a huge waffle.
Their French toast was as you see, her waffle was like,
And it was pretty good.
The only thing I never like are the home fries. It just looked like a pile of garbage on the plate. So really, we have to revamp the home fries for me.
What about your onion rings?
The onion rings was awesome.
It was the fact that it wasn't oily. Usually onion rings tend to be greasy.
It was better than some of the onion rings them where we try out.
And it wasn't oversized and just a lot of breading.
Clean. But I buy back the onion ring again. You understand? So guys, make sure you log on for more restaurant reviews in and around our local area, Port St Lucie and the Palm Beaches and the what you call it? The Treasure Coast. You understand? Yardie TV, Eat Out Fridays. That's the thing said. We're doing it. Yes, we're doing it. You understand? So stick and stay, like, share, subscribe, call a friend, tell a friend, hey. And remember, Super Chat still exists. And, find ways if we can send on some, you know, restaurant review money.
Live and laugh.
Cook and
Go
consume.
out and eat.
Oh, Keke'S, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you want to say the something beside me? And I don't know. And I love you. And I